In this video, we're going to be replacing this mirror switch, which is located on your driver's side door. Use a trim tool and pop the front of this switch panel up. It's clipped on at the front, and then slide it forward because it has a little hook here. Now if you flip it over, you can see all the electrical connections. To replace the mirror switch, I'm going to disconnect it first. Press on the tab, pull the electrical connector out, and then what you have to do is press it on these tabs, and the switch will slide up and out of here. There's one on the front and one on the side here, just like this. There it is. Take your new switch, slide it through, make sure it clicks so that it locks into place. Perfect. Now reconnect the electrical connector, and let's reinstall the panel. Now to reinstall the switch panel, I'm going to slide the back in first, that little hook, and then press it down at the front, and it's locked in. Go ahead and test out your new switch.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.